Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. A quick disclaimer for everyone, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are still currently sitting at $1.3 trillion, down 3.7% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 42.5%. Looking at the markets, guys, continuous red across the board once again, as we saw yesterday. So nothing has changed if we are comparing what we saw yesterday. So I always compare on a daily basis. So as of now, markets are still in red. As you guys can see across the board, everything is in red. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one altcoin that has been highly requested on my channel and that I have been monitoring for quite some time before this bull run even, and that's none other than Fantom. Alright guys, my Fantom family, if you guys are stopping by my channel for the first time, if I can ask you guys to smash the like button and hit the red subscribe button. This does help my channel a lot and really does motivate me, so I really appreciate that. Looking at the price of FTM right now, it is currently trading at 41 cents. It's down 11.8% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also down 11.3% in Bitcoin comparative and 9.5% in Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. FTM's current ranking in the cryptocurrency market rank is at the top 62 spot with a market cap of $1 billion and the 24-hour trading volume of $742 million. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, FTM is still up 60.9% if we are looking at the year chart. Like if we're comparing it from last year, it's still up 60.9%, even though it has seen quite a bit of a drop over the past couple months. But still, guys, one thing that people tend to ignore is if you are zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, FTM, there was a time, and I've seen this with my own eyes. With my own eyes, FTM was below a penny. And, we're still up quite a bit from there, so let's not forget that. But before we jump into the charts, guys, and see where the price of FTM could be going in the immediate short term, I just want to say that this video is brought to you by Crypto.com. If you guys don't know what Crypto.com is, it is the world's fastest growing crypto app. You can join up to 50 million plus users buying and selling 250 plus cryptocurrencies at true cost. You can spend with Crypto.com Visa card and get up to 8% back. Also, you can grow your portfolio by receiving rewards up to 14.5% on your crypto asset. This is a one-stop shop. You can literally do everything on this app, anywhere from taking your fiat, converting it to crypto, and using that to buy any altcoin that you like. This can be downloaded on the App Store if you have an Apple device, and also on the Google Play Store if you have an Android device. So make sure you check it out, guys. Link in the description box below, and I'm sure you guys will love it. But now, before we jump into the charts, I want to share this crazy article with you guys. It really explains as to why we have seen an uptick in the price of FTM. If you guys have missed this, but if you guys have already seen this, make sure you skip to skip a little bit, maybe like a minute from now on, to see the price charts and where I will discuss where I could see the price go in the immediate short term. So if you guys are not aware, the Fantom launches its first native stablecoin. The most notable development to occur in the Fantom ecosystem is the past few weeks was release of FUSD, the first native stablecoin on the network. And this was the tweet that they posted on their Twitter. FUSD will be minted using the following tokens as collateral: USDC, FUSDT, DAI, SFTMX, WFTM, SFTM, BOO, Beats, Spirit, LQDR. Less volatile assets will have higher collateral factor and cap. More volatile assets will have a lower collateral factor and cap. So it says the release of the FUSDT comes on the heels of the collapse of Terra USD. you guys know what happened, and looks to get some of the capital flight from algorithm stablecoins by offering a over collateralized alternative. On May 20th, the Fantom Foundation launched an update highlighted the maximum collateral factor and minting cap for each supported form of collateral. The foundation also set the FUSDT staking rewards at 11.3%. The update also includes details on Fantom liquid staking, setting a global cap of 150 million staked Fantom, removing validators from the list of those eligible to mint as FTMs, and setting a loan to value ratio of FTM at 90% of the mint FTM. So also, there was a news rumor that the return of the lead DeFi developer, Andre Corange, the price of the native FTM token has risen about 40%. So that was also a part of the speculation that went into play. So now that you guys are aware of that, let's jump into the price to see what is going on and where could the price of FTM be going in the immediate short term. So without a doubt, this is no secret. You guys know what happened to the price of FTM over the past 1 year. We saw the price go absolutely insane. It hit a all-time high of $3.50. And if I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys right now, Fantom has dropped since all-time highs 88.7%. It's still down 88.7% from all-time highs, even after having some sort of bullish momentum, a bullish upwards price momentum that we have seen, as I mentioned, due to the FUSDT announcement. Since then, Fantom is still down 88%. So now comes the question that everyone wants to know: where could the price of Fantom be going in the immediate short term? So before I jump into that, if you picked at the lows that FTM was at around the 23.95 cents, you're already up 55% in just a matter of couple days. So that might have been, a perfect time to be scooping up some FTM tokens. Sorry about the email notifications. I'm sorry, I don't have those turned off. So please ignore that. All right, so we're still up 55% if you were to have picked up some FTM around there. But now comes the question that everyone wants to know: are we going back to these prices that we have seen back in April, or is this just where the price is going to hover around? And it all comes down to one thing, guys. I've been mentioning this to you guys for quite some time, and that is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is hovering at some critical price levels. Today is Tuesday, May 24th, and yet again, Bitcoin is still hanging around the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. And, right now, guys, this support line, which is at that, $28,700 mark, you cannot make this up. If this support line does not hold as a level of support for the price of Bitcoin, then we could be heading down to $23,000. And what is that going to, play? Like, what is going to happen? What impact will that have on altcoins? Doesn't matter if it's FTM, VeChain, Cardano, Solana, doesn't matter what altcoin it is. Everything is going to be impacted, and FTM is definitely not an exception. So we will see Fantom have some sort of impact due to Bitcoin's volatility, especially if we do break towards the downside. So that's why Bitcoin price is very, very critical. If the price of Bitcoin rebounds, most importantly above this major level of resistance at that 33,500, then we could see a massive spike for FTM very, very fast, because the FUSD the announcement that's coming, guys, this is huge announcement, especially after the Terra collapse. There's a lot of people that are looking for an alternative, and Fantom Foundation, this announcement that they are bringing is at a perfect timing, and I do believe this is going to gain a lot of traction. And what is going to happen with FTM token? It's going to react, and I do believe this is going to be a catalyst for the price to start moving back towards the upside. But we cannot ignore the price of Bitcoin. My personal target for FTM right now, specifically, that I would love to see FTM to be at, is above this level of resistance, which is at that 63 cents, guys. As long as Fantom stays above that level, I'm happy. As long as it trades sideways, I'm totally fine with that. So that is my target right now. We take it one step at a time. So that is it for now. BTC dominance, on the other hand, has been going up sharply, sitting at 45%. And again, should not be coming as a surprise to any one of us because, like I said, Bitcoin is sitting at some critical price levels. A lot of uncertainty. People do believe that we might pull more lower. So obviously more money is flowing back into Bitcoin because Bitcoin tends to hold way stronger compared to altcoins. So that is not a surprise right now as well. But if I am going on staking rewards, guys, you guys can see Fantom is the 18th most staked asset in the cryptocurrency markets with a staked value of 48%. So that means almost 50% of its circulation supply, the tokens, are being staked right now. People are earning passive income off of it. So if you are an FTM holder, you want to be staking your Fantom and maximizing your gains, especially if you're in it for the long haul. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Where could you see the price of FTM go? And let me know what your strategy right now is. Leave it in the comment section below. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for all the support. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX.